Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles. We're at our cabin today, well, lake home. Me and the boys are here. They're all still sleeping. I woke up to go on a run. We filmed the trip out, but then I accidentally formatted my card. I'm testing out my new camera, the Sony a6300, and it's in like the European mode, so it shoots like 25 frames and 100 frames instead of 24 and 120. And I was trying to fix that, but it didn't tell me you had to when you click switch, you format the card too. So I formatted it on accident. Like it didn't tell me that would happen. But yeah, I got a new camera, the a6300, and we're testing that all weekend. Gonna try to get some good slow-mo with the 120 frames. All the boys are still sleeping. Yeah, you are. Now we're going on the boat to go tubing. Let's get our tube on.
Bocce ball's a rich man's sport.
Can't play any game of soccer.
It is.
Wow. It's got the rope attached to it.
Yep, I can get him in.
Whoa, butterfly.
Hey man, you gonna dance tonight? Yeah, I may ascertain a soiree.
Going crazy.
No!
To the shore.
Yeah.
Doug, get away from the edge. You started then, Walter.
Wake,
Eric!
wake up, samurai. We've got a city to burn. Who was that for? Oh, that's my wee-wee.
What?
No. Would he push you off?
Why'd you kick me off? Oh my god! What? Oh, you just...
Oh man. Jeez. You got...
Yeah, you should have. Don't do that again. So good.
Going on the boat to go swimming in the lake.
To do it from further away? No. Yeah, Eric, nice backflip, bro.
Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, I'm filming.
Turn your swag on.
Shoot! Going to try to climb something. I think we're climbing a water tower just to see, like, it's 4th of July right now, just to see the fireworks from the lake. Miles thinks he's funny, but he's not.
Fine, social media.
Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just so nice? Never seen anything like that before. It's pretty sick.
Yeah, nice. the hell is that? I'll leave the shit out. Yeah, holy shit.
Whoa, whoa. Gang.
This is crazy.
Very cool.
Shit. Alright.
So all the boys have been out here taking pictures of that. That's so sick. A ton of cars have driven past though. We got the GoPro going. We got the GoPro switch. All right.
Yeah, the keys are in the car. We're going.
We have a semi-successful YouTube channel. Okay, Ethan.
Yeah, hell yeah. What is this, Miles Vlogs? Get the
It's an inverse
I would
shutout.
say everyone
Let me talk.
who follows my
Miles, let me
channel
test out your
unsubscribe from Eric and Miles.
Mac really ain't part of this. Miles is
That's
an OG,
correct.
but no one knows how.
I want nothing to do with this
Now
channel.
listen.
Get out of here.
Oh yeah, earlier we tried to do the waterfall. We tried to do
Waterfall?
water tower. My
Tower.
bad. It was bad. No, it wasn't even bad. So we climbed up it, and then out of nowhere a car came, and then we all booked off out.
We'll probably go back though, cause it's like right over there, and we saw the person 3 more times after that. So, and it didn't seem like they cared.
Well, knee high by the 4th of July, but
So yeah, we were trying to do this crazy thing and like it was crazy.
it was insane.
And
honestly.
then
I'd go as far as to say
there's
it
a
was
fence.
fucking madness.
he's bad at lockpicking.
With lock picking, it's really about. It's not like a partial.
The one that's on top of the car. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, look at that. It's doing its magic, yeah.
Imagine sitting in a field to watch an ancient primitive Chinese technology in 2019.
What is that?
Fireworks.
Oh.
It's Ethan's birthday today.
Yeah, baby. 21.
Whoa, he's turning 6 today.
Are you backing up yet?
Miles, let's see that foot.
Foot gang.
Miles cut his foot open. That is just not gonna work out. Good tube sesh. Got some good GoPro stuff. This vlog is gonna be really weird. It's just gonna be of the weekend. I don't really know. Right now we're just gonna try to backflip, do a gainer. Ethan Volgren's gonna teach me.
Is like, you gotta go send all the way. If you just partial, not only will it not look cool, it's not gonna go. So like, it's a full send sort of thing. I'd usually make fun of someone that'd say that, but in this case it's true. Which seems it seems like you can't just jump and lean back in the air, right? You can, and you will. That's how you'll do a gainer. I guess I'm getting good at a lot of stuff, so like, me doing stuff isn't like surprising anymore. You honestly, you just gotta do it honestly, you know?
Yep, we know.
Yeah, so do it.
It's the only way I know how to explain it. My leg up while I do it, but I don't know if that actually happens.
No, not even close.
That's a Mac flip. See why?
Oh jeez.
Teenage wasteland.
Good. Don't get it. Your money. You don't get it, baby girl.
How baller is that?
Jeez, this man's rich. I'm not gonna.
Boy, doesn't.
I can find him.
He's gone.
We're packing up. We're blowing Dodge.
Overall, I rate this week. We're blowing air. 6.9.
6.9 out of 420.
Attract the attention of others.